Good morning, everyone. So it's a no makeup kind of morning, just kind of took a shower today, and then got to get the kids ready. They're up though, so got to get them dressed and fed and make their lunches, and then we got to head out the door for school, and Siler's coming along with us. So we'll kind of see where this roller coaster ride takes us today. All right, guys, I survived the morning. I was able to get both kids to school on time and dressed and fed and lunches made. I got my makeup on, so at least I got a little bit decent. And little man did great. Huh, Zyler? We did it. We dropped your cousins off at school on time. And then Zyler even got to take a little nap in the car, so that worked out great. But we're gonna head back home. Gonna hang out with this little guy for a little bit playing, and then he'll be picked up by his mom, and I gotta come back and get the kiddos. So we'll have some fun a little bit later today. All right, just having a little fun with Zyler. Let's watch it go. Ready? Ready? Here it goes.
It's got serious power. Serious power.
Whoa. He absolutely loves anything that moves back and forth. Any cars. Vroom, vroom, huh?
Power.
You want to see it go? Oh no, you stopped it. You ready? Let's see. You can go get it? Good job. The first 100 words. What do we have? We got colors. Ooh, the yellow duck, blue ball, red shoes, pink flower. What are you using your toesies? Here, you touch it. Here, you touch it. You wanna do it? Look at the truck. Uh-oh. Okay, so I am officially just full-blown sick. I don't feel good at all. Hinted the no makeup this morning. Yeah. I was totally feeling under the weather, and it is hitting me harder and harder as the day goes. We got home from school and the kids let me relax. I did some work on the computer. Since they were so good, we're gonna head to the park right now so they can get some fresh air and play on the playground. I'm bringing Captain too so he can play too. But I'll sit and relax and watch them while they play, and then we'll head back home and get some rest. What you doing, bud?
What?
This is how much I feel under the weather. I completely forgot Captain's tennis ball. Oh, Charles, so he's just running around. That's okay though. He's still getting his energy out in exercise. But he loves playing ball. Today he's just strolling. Alright, we are getting ready to call it for a night. We had a great time at the park, the little time that we had. Kids are already in bed and bathed, and I am ready to hop in the shower and get in bed myself because I do not feel good at all. Hope I feel better in the morning when I wake up. I had a great day even though I didn't feel quite well, but it happens. You get sick, so this is a little dip in my roller coaster ride, but Charles is clearly excited about his TV show, and so the kiddos wanted to say goodnight. They heard mommy saying goodnight, so they're just relaxing in my bed since I'm going to be hopping in the shower like I mentioned. Yes, so mommy and daddy's bed. So they're just going to relax here, watch a little bit of TV while I shower, and we'll get them up to their beds shortly.
And then watch.
Anyway, say goodnight to everyone.
Good night.
Charles actually is getting his bandage off tomorrow, so we are super excited for that. This is the last time you'll see him with that big bandage.
I know how.
Alright, we'll see you all tomorrow. Good night.